Hello, my name is Jonathan Craig, and this is my proposal for the Object-Oriented Programming Term project. Beginning with the main game screen and gamer functions. As a gamer, I want a start button to begin the game so that I can start. As a gamer, I want a quit button to exit the game so that I can quit. As a gamer, I want a score counter to keep track of my score so that I can see it. As a gamer, I want a health counter to keep track of my health so that I can see it. As a gamer, I want ammo counters to keep track of my ammo so that I can see it. As a gamer, I want to use the mouse to shoot my weapons so that I can play. As a gamer, I want to use the arrow keys to move my ship so that I can play. As a gamer, I want to use keys or buttons to change my weapons so that I can use them. As a gamer, I want a game over screen so that I know when I have lost. As a shooter, I want to spawn as the game has started so that I can begin fighting. As a shooter, I want to have a machine gun weapon so that I can fight. As a shooter, I want to have a missile weapon so that I can fight. As a shooter, I want to have a laser cannon weapon so that I can fight. As a shooter, I want to pick up power-ups and ammo so that I can survive in combat. As a shooter, I want to show damage so that I can display my wounds. As a shooter, I want to explode when I die so that I can display my death. As a gun, I want to fire shots in a straight line so that I can hit targets. As a gun, I want to do minimal damage so that the gamer is challenged to get better weapons. As a missile, I want to fly where the mouse is clicked and explode so that the gamer can damage enemies. As a missile, I want to do moderate damage so that the gamer is challenged to get better weapons. As a missile, I want to have a finite ammo supply so that the gamer is challenged to get weapons. As a laser cannon, I want to shoot a beam that damages all enemies in its path. As a laser cannon, I want to do max damage so that the user is challenged to get me. As a laser cannon, I want to have a finite ammo supply so that the user is challenged to get me. As a health pack, I want to heal the user for a small or large amount of their health so that the user is challenged to get me. As a power-up, I want to make the shooter move faster so that the user is challenged to get me. As a power-up, I want to display an effect so that the user knows when I'm working. As a power-up, I want to make the shooter invulnerable for a few hits so that the user is challenged to get me. Moving on to the alien fighter enemy, number 1. As an alien fighter, I want to spawn randomly so that I'm not easy to hit. As an alien fighter, I want to spawn in limited numbers so that I do not overwhelm the shooter. As an alien fighter, I want to move at angles so that I can hit and damage the shooter. As an alien fighter, I want to explode when I die so that my death is apparent. As an alien fighter, I want to drop missile ammo when I die to reload the shooter. Moving on to enemy type number 2, the alien shooter. As an alien shooter, I want to spawn after a certain number of fighter deaths so that I can increase the difficulty. As an alien shooter, I want to spawn in limited numbers so I don't overwhelm the shooter. As an alien shooter, I want to move from side to side so that I am not easily hit. As an alien shooter, I want to shoot downwards so that I might hit the shooter. As an alien shooter, I want to take and show damage on the first hit so that I can keep fighting. As an alien shooter, I want to move faster when I am damaged so that I am harder to hit. As an alien shooter, I want to fall when I die so that my death is apparent. As an alien shooter, I want to drop health or laser cannon ammo so that I resupply the shooter. Enemy type number 3, the alien bomber. As an alien bomber, I want to spawn after a certain number of shooter deaths so that I can increase the difficulty. As an alien bomber, I want to spawn at max 2 of myself so that I do not overwhelm the shooter. As an alien bomber, I want to drop bombs at intervals so that I can hit the shooter. As an alien bomber, I want to show different damage states so the shooter can see how hurt I am. As an alien bomber, I want to drop more bombs when I am slightly damaged so I can hit the shooter. As an alien bomber, I want to shoot lasers downwards when I am very damaged so that I can hit the shooter. As an alien bomber, I want to explode and fall when I die so that the shooter can see my death. As an alien bomber, I want to drop health or power up when I die so that the shooter can resupply. As an alien bomb, I want to fall from the bomber so that I may hit the shooter. As an alien bomb, I want to leave the game screen and die if I miss so that the screen does not become too full. As an alien bomb, I want to explode upon hitting the shooter so the shooter can see it has been hit. That is the end of my presentation. Thank you.